Hello everyone, and welcome to another R video tutorial. And in this tutorial, we're going to start almost from the beginning. This assumes that you've already installed R, but we're going to go through how to install RStudio, which is, in my opinion, one of the most useful IDEs available for R. So what we're going to do is we're going to just open up any browser of your choice. I prefer to use Google Chrome. And we're going to go to Google R Studio. And you're going to pick rstudio.com. Should hopefully be the first Google search result. So that's going to take you to this page. And over here along the top, you will see it says download. You're going to click this button right here to go to their download page. So the thing with RStudio is that there are a number of different versions available, ranging from free to fairly expensive. And the nice thing about RStudio is that for most applications, you really only need to worry about this free version right here. If you're doing something that required you to be able to make a profit, you might want to look into the commercial license. But by and large, most applications get by just fine with the free version of RStudio Desktop. So you're going to click download right here. And this is going to take you to the installers page. Now, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I believe that this right here will actually contextualize based on the system that you have. So if you're a Windows user, it should look exactly like mine. If you're on a Mac or Linux, I'm pretty sure that this updates dynamically. So you can comfortably click this right here, and it will download the most recent version of RStudio for your system. So you're going to click that, and it's going to ask you to pick a save location. I always recommend saving things like this into the downloads. Again, do not change the file name. You just click save. It'll take a minute or so. Once it's done downloading, if you're using Chrome like I am, it'll be down here along the bottom. I believe Firefox does the same thing. If you right click, you can go show in folder. Otherwise, you can use File Explorer to get to where you saved the file. So once you're here, you just double click. Now you will be asked whether or not to allow it to make changes to your device. You always want to click yes. And then you will be given the installation wizard. So by and large, we're going to accept the defaults. So we're just going to click next to start the installation wizard. We're going to accept the default location. We're going to accept the default start menu folder. And then you'll see that it will begin extracting the files. So we're just going to wait while this runs. It should take no more than a couple minutes. Okay, so once it's done running, you will actually see that you're completed with the setup. And you can just click finish here to close the wizard. So assuming that you want to run RStudio, if you look, there should be a desktop icon. But the way that I prefer to get to it is to actually go down here and type in RStudio. And you'll see that it'll pop up RStudio here. And if you click this, it will open up a session of RStudio for you. So once again, just to be clear, we can go down here, click this, search RStudio. And it will open up an RStudio session for you. So hopefully that was clear. If you got stuck at any point, I encourage you to pause the video, go back, rewatch the parts you got stuck on, and as always, please reach out. Thank you.